What's up? Mamod video back here for another video. Today I'm working on this. Now, you've probably seen it in short I made about it, saying I bought it and whatever. I've started work on it because I did all the fiddly bits which I could not have done on camera because it's just so awkward to show. So I cleaned all this up. Here, you can see it. Cleaned all that up. I don't really do the grating that much because sometimes all of the stuff comes out, all the insulation comes out in there. I've cleaned it all up. This is all rusty on the bottom, so I've had to sand that all down. Or wire brush it. And I've bought some paint to repaint this underneath. Obviously not the top because that's where all your methylated spirit goes. So I bought some high temp paint to paint all of that. And then move on to this. Now you can see this is all awful because it's all, you can see there, it's all horrific because it's all bubbled and horrible. You see what I mean? Phone doesn't want to focus. There. In there as well. If I just get this, you can be able to see it a bit better in a second. There we go. If you look in there, there you go. It's all rusty, so I've cleaned a little bit of that up, but it's not very easy to do. That's all needs to still be cleaned up. So today really is going to be about making noise, annoying the neighbours, and yeah, cleaning all this up and whatever. I might do a bit more like grating as well, but I need to buy a wire brush. With the money I now don't have, so I spent it all on this and the tractor, which should be here soon. Right, if I just zoom in, I'll show you the other bit what I'm doing today. So you see all this on there, all that there, it's all rusty on there as well, you see all that? It's all rusty. All of this. So I've cleaned some of it up, as you might be able to see, and that is cleaning up rather well, so I'm hoping we can just clean that one up. No, I've got a really tripod today as well, guys, so I'm trying to figure out how the thing works. Oh, I can't do... Sorry guys, 1 minute. It's a bit better. There we go. No. That'll do. Alright. That's all. I don't know. Okay, so today we're going to clean that up. So I'll just move you guys closer. There. Right. So I've got to clean all this up today. All that. Get my drill out. I've got a brand new pack of wire brushes. We say. I've charged the battery. Right, let me just go and get my wire brush set. I have all of these wire brushes and stuff which I'll be using. So it's a quick release thing, so if I grab the quick release I can put it on the drill and tighten it. Now I've got all these floppy discs and whatever, I don't know what they are or how good they are, whatever. I think I might give this a go today. It's a floppy disk thing. Don't know how it works. But here we are. Push that back. And I've also got whatever this is, I might also give that a go. Right, so the way I'm going to do this is you get the quick release and you put that on. And then pull that, push, and it clicks. Do you hear that? Do it again. Push. It just did it without me doing it. Right, so you push down, pull that, and you keep 1 minute. That clicked, and that went out. Alright, so now I'm going to start by doing this. So if I go here, yep, I'm going to see how good this is. Not the greatest for doing stuff like this. Right, let me get a different thing. We'll try this thing. I don't know what this is like. We'll try this now. It's like a coral or something. Give this a go. That's working alright. She has done it. Oh, there. Just there. That. So yeah, that works alright actually. But obviously, quicker way to do all of this. Good old trusty wire brush. But I have a very good experience with wire brushes. So I get some gloves under there. I have anti-cut gloves, so it can't get through these. I put these on. Right, so I've established my phone does not work with my glove on. So I need to just put that on again. Right, so I've got anti-cut gloves. As you can see, anti-cut. Come on. There you go. Anti-cut. Yes. Okay. So now we get Mr. I'll put that over there. Get Mr. Wire Brush and we attack it. This ain't the easiest, is it? I did have a wire brush, but it rusted out, guys. Now it does work very well. It's just it takes a long time to get it done well. Let's see how to do this. So it does work quite well. Now I'm going to get a bit of sandpaper. Well, remember I put the sandpaper over it. So I've got a bit of good old P120 grit. And now, I'm just going to do this. I'm just going to sand like that. Method does take a long time, but as you can see it does bring up good results. So just keep sanding at it before you start on all the sides and the back, as you could see. Just sand like this. Donkey's ears until we get something like this, which is actually quite good. paint can bond to that, which is good. Okay, now I've got the joy. Oh, we've got the joy. I'm trying to get in there. Right down there. Where did I put the torch? There. Right down there. See, I did a bit there, but it's right down there. All in sanding or something, guys. Which is not going to be easy. But you can't be a professional man without your tools, can you? You see. So, wet brush off. Put this on. This is, I'll show you in a minute. Just coming loose. So this is a little sanding ball. Okay. So what we do, get this, you put it in there and you just sand. Like this. Now I'm going to pause this and I'll come back, guys, when we've got somewhere. Right, weren't going to go that time after multiple attempts, but you can see now I've done a little bit in there. Took me a long time, but I've done a bit down there. 1 minute, torch. You're falling on me, guys. Torch. There. You can see down there I've done a bit of that. I've tidied up that bit a bit more. I've done some down there. Right. Okay. Now, change out the bit. Pop that off. There. And we put this cone-shaped one on, which, as you could see, is better for going into tight spaces. Move you guys again. Okay, so yet again you just get in there and you just sand. And as you can see, that can get right up to the corner. Sort of see. Sort of there-ish. You can see. Right, I'm going to give this a go, this one, and I'll come back. Right, you can see it's a bit rusty now. All over my worktop, but anyway. I've done, and just pat that out, all up into the corners. So now all I'm going to do, I'm going to get my sandpaper and I'm going to sand it in my sandpaper, because my sandpaper is the best way to do it. Try not to trip up again. There. So you literally just sand. Get your sandpaper right down there. Probably need some more water. Sand it. Just sand. So I'm going to do that, and yet again I'll come back to you guys when I'm finished. I will come back to you guys when I'm finished, when I manage to pause this stupid thing. I resorted to drill. Sandpaper just didn't cut it, so I resorted to the drill. As you can see, there's now more rust everywhere, but it's all been done down in there now. to the best of my ability. It's all been polished, whatever. Not polished, you know what I mean, guys. I've done as much now as I can. Whatever I don't do on video, I'll do not on video. I'll do it off camera. So next time you see this, the whole thing will be painted. No, it won't be painted. It'll be the painting video. So it'll be hung, probably, because I might hang it. Don't know if I will, but it'll be somewhere out in the drive, no doubt. I might either hang it off of the garage door, or I shall just do it down here on our driveway. Or even on my floor, but I'd rather not because I've got carpet in my floor. It's very nice. So guys, thank you yet again for putting up with me, and I will see you guys in my next video, which I'm going to record now, funnily enough, because I'm going away soon, and I want you guys to have content whilst I'm gone. So I'm going to put some of my videos on leave, whatever you call it, the thing where schedule upload, that's the one. So then I'll have content for when I'm not here. And then you guys can just watch me, previous me, be an absolute idiot with these stupid Mamods, which are up here. And you might get to see a Stirling engine for the first time. Doesn't work properly. I'll explain more about that when I make the video on it. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, any suggestions which you have of how to properly clean that up. I'll be looking at the comments, because I am quite good at keeping up with my comments, unlike some of the YouTubers you see on these platforms. But yeah, be sure to like, subscribe, share, and I will be back with you guys in the next video. And this is gonna have to wait, because in a couple of days my tractor's gonna be here. So that's gonna be the first thing I ever do. The moment I get it, I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna put it right on it, because it's my tractor. I wanted one for ages. And I finally got one. So yeah, thank you for watching. Please be sure to like, subscribe, comment. Subscribing, it would really help me out, because at the moment I don't have many subscribers on a little channel, and it doesn't feel like people watch me very much. So it'd be nice to have some people who follow my journey, fixing these old things and bringing all these old pieces of history, whatever you call them, these old steam engines, back to life. So thank you guys. Please sure again, like, subscribe, comment, share if you really want to. It'd be really nice to see the views skyrocket on these videos. But yeah, thank you. I'll see you in the next video guys. Bye.